Hello folks, this is Russ from ProSteamUK. Today we are working in the Everest Tandoori restaurant located on Lynchford Road, Farnborough, and we are going to clean the carpet and prepare this restaurant for reopening after the lockdown period. Now the first thing that we're going to do is spray EnviroSafe, which is a biocide tested against bacteria, viruses and fungi. That will be sprayed over the carpet and left to work for about 10 to 15 minutes. And once that has done its job, we can then proceed with the cleaning. We will also use that product after we've cleaned the carpet. Okay, so very important that the carpet is not just deep cleaned, it's also sanitized as well. The machinery we use produces over 100 degrees centigrade of hot water at the wand, so we can clean with super steam boosted temperatures. Very important when you're dealing with killing bacteria and also removing the grease and dirt from the carpet. So we will come back in a short while and we will see how things are looking. So once the EnviroSafe has been applied and left to dwell for about 10 minutes, we then pre-spray the carpet using a product that will break down and digest the grease and dirt. And we scrub it in with this machine here, ready for the next stage, which is hot water extraction. July the 4th, this Saturday, the Everest Tandoori, located on Lynchford Road, Farnborough, will reopen. Today we have cleaned the carpets, we have sanitised the carpets, and we have also disinfected all the high contact areas of the main restaurant area using EnviroSafe, which is a product effective against coronavirus, bacteria and fungi. So there you go, the carpets are looking lovely, clean, they smell nice, ready for business once again. There you go.